your name, and has satisfactorily completed the basic remotely piloted aircraft flight training 2624 for a 5-hour flight time, and given this gagawin natin for today is mag-lecture muna tayo, and then after nun, the flight phase, and then lecture ulit tayo. Okay? So, yan. And the objective of this training is you are able to know yung mga maneuvers natin, basic maneuvers natin about the drones. Okay? And of course, yung mga technicalities din para at least may idea na din tayo. Yun yung pinaka main objective nito. At the same time, yung sa pag-apply ng license soon. Okay? So, hindi discuss ko din yun. By the you can download it. Oo.
So, ina-align lang natin yung unit natin kasi may mga speed yan, kilometers eh. So ano lang yung capacity, pag in-encode mo yan dito, sasabihin niya kung good or hindi.
Yun.
Importante na makabisado mo yan kasi yun nga, kailangan mo yan sa skill test for license. Given this 27th day of April 2024 at Kaunlaran, Lancaster New City, Barangay Navarro, General Trias City, Cavite.